Every great team is like a symphony with each member playing a unique role in harmony. But what if your team feels more like a cacophony than a masterpiece? All you need to ensure that this does not happen is to have a bunch of impactful team builders. Discover Building Better Teams, a key course in our innovative First-Time Manager series. This course is specifically designed to transform emerging leaders into masterful team builders and effective communicators. Delve into the essentials of team awareness, strategic actions, and ideal leadership traits using 5 important aspects involved in building and motivating a team. Our comprehensive curriculum is built on 3 pillars: knowing or understanding team dynamics, doing or implementing effective leadership actions, and being or embodying the qualities of inspirational leadership. Providing the impact of real-world transformations, this course shows how first-time managers or aspiring team leads significantly elevate team collaboration, enhance problem-solving skills, and foster a positive and productive work environment. You wouldn't want to miss this opportunity to revolutionize the way managers and to-be leaders of your organization build their teams and turn them into orchestras of success. Enroll today in the Learnnovators FTM series and set a new standard for leadership in your organization. Sign up for this course today. The First-Time Manager series. Empowering tomorrow's leaders.